this is a tutorial for Vshare, okay, how to use Vshare. Vshare, it's an application downloaded to your iPhone or iPad or iPod. Actually, what it does, it actually gives you applications, right? So we can test them out. Remember, I'm not responsible for anything that happens, and Vshare is not responsible for anything that happens to your device. We're gonna go to Vshare, right? We're gonna open Vshare. This is a quick guide to actually make it work or whatever, to test it out. And let's say you want this game, Final Fantasy V, right? And you want to download this game. It's gonna give you the size. As you can see here, the size is 134.48 megabytes. What it means is that actually it's kind of heavy. Well, not that heavy if you have a really strong network. You can actually download that, and you can put download, right? It's gonna say Final Fantasy V, start download on the very top. You go to download, okay? You're gonna check if it's downloading. If it's not downloading, well, okay, maybe the link is broken. I'm not sure. Remember, we're testing them out. But it should give you the percentage, right? From 0.00%, we're gonna go all the way to 100%, okay? So, well, let's say this is not working whatsoever, or whatever the case is. You delete this, you swipe it away, and you delete it. You don't have to follow the same steps I'm doing, but you do have to follow the same steps in order for you to get what you really want, okay? The application that you want. So let's go to categories. Guys, I'm gonna delete this, okay? It's just an example. Let's say a card game, right? And let's say, is there any game that is not that heavy? Well, I don't see anything that they're almost all of them heavy. Well, let's go back, let's stick to the same thing we were doing, action. And then this one, animal sounds, right? You're gonna put download. You're gonna go there. If that's the one that you want, you make sure in the screenshots, okay? If that's the application you like, and it gives you a little description, right? You can view it here. Everything's Japanese or Chinese, I'm not sure what is that. But well, you put download, right? It's gonna give you on the very top that menu bar. It's gonna be downloading, okay? So let's wait until it reaches 100%. Once it's done, okay? Once it's done, it should appear on downloaded. Okay? It should appear there. This application, it should appear there. And remember, you don't have to install it. The same application, Vshare, installs it for you. You don't have to go and manually install it. You just install it by itself. You can delete it, so it won't be using your temporary memory from your iPod or iPhone or from your device, okay? You can delete that in order for you to have more space and to actually use your iPhone with its full capacity, right? Or whatever it is. Once it's downloaded, you're gonna go to the tab, download it. It's gonna show up. It says like on the very top, and it installed it. So it's been installed already. So if you don't want this anymore, you can delete it. If you want to actually reinstall it, you can install it again by pressing install. I'm not gonna do that because it's already installed, right? Just in case you lost it from your Springboard. This is Springboard. All the applications like the desktop. So you go back to the application and you test it out. And as you can see, it's working for me. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's just like kind of sounds of animals and stuff, but it should work. And if you don't want this anymore, remember, you can delete it at all times. And if you want to, let's say you delete it by accident, you can go back to Vshare and you can put install. I'm not gonna install it because I don't need it. If you don't want it anymore, you just delete it, okay? And it deletes it. So that's one quick tutorial about how to actually add applications to to your devices, right? It can be utilities, it could be games, it could be weather, it could be anything, okay? But if it doesn't work, or if it's taking a while, make sure you have a really strong signal for your internet, right? And that actually, and also that if it's not downloading or not working, just completely remove, like just delete it, because maybe the link is broken and they need to update the whole system from Vshare, okay? Not your device. Vshare, the application. They have to maybe actually make an update or whatever it is, fix maybe some bugs or whatever if it's not working for you. Okay, well, that's one quick guide. Okay, if you have any questions or anything, please leave a comment below and I'll be more than glad to help you. You can iMessage me, iMessage, Facetime, whatever. That's one way to actually make it work. Okay, so that's one way to actually get your apps, test them out if you want them. Okay, if you don't want them, you can take it off or anything. And remember, guys, stay away from 6.1.3. okay, because that messes up all your system, restores it back to its defaults, and there's not going to be no more jailbreaks for that until the next jailbreak. Okay, laters, guys, and I hope you like this video. Bye.